In an era saturated with disposable tech, where plastic reigns and planned obsolescence is the silent standard, a truly professional tool often feels like an anomaly. This is not just another product review. This is an evaluation of something designed to endure, to simplify, to reclaim your most valuable asset: time. We are discussing the Narwey Hanging Toiletry Bag, a quiet workhorse that, in 2026, has redefined the professional grade standard for personal organization. Consider your Monday morning. The alarm rings early, deadlines loom, and the last thing you need is a 5-minute hunt for your specific hair product or a frantic search for that travel-size conditioner. Here, this system presents its first quiet standard: 4 distinct, separate compartments, each with its own mesh pockets and elastic bands, designed to keep every item upright, every single time. This isn't a feature. It is an engineered solution to professional friction. Those 5 minutes saved, repeatedly, accumulate into hours, into entire weekend mornings reclaimed. This is not about convenience. It is about eliminating decision fatigue. Pick it up. The difference is immediately apparent. This is not hollow plastic. This is not flimsy nylon. The fabric is durable, padded, and possesses a reassuring weight. The lining is smooth, resisting snags and spills. The zippers, often the first point of failure in lesser products, feel robust, purposeful. There is zero structural flex. This physical density, this tactile feedback, is the joy of ownership. It is a tool built to prevent the future errors of cheap alternatives, designed to break the replacement cycle. This build quality is the long-term value. Now, a professional compromise. The aesthetic of the checkerboard pattern, while distinctive, is certainly a matter of personal taste. It might not align with every minimalist sensibility. However, in the crucible of real-world workflow, when you are reaching for your prescription or your specific grooming tool with absolute certainty and zero fumbling, this minor visual consideration becomes utterly irrelevant. The function, the reliability, far outweighs any personal style preference. For the current street price, this represents more than just a purchase. It is an investment in time, in efficiency, and in the sheer professional confidence that comes from knowing your essentials are always organized, always accessible. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stocks.